Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. So welcome Cardano holders, let's see the live price prediction of Cardano in the previous last hour. What's going in the market of Cardano? As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the last previous 1 hour. As you can see here, the chart is in negative 0.22%. I'm very sorry to say that, but it's a reality of previous 1 hour of Cardano holder. As you can see here, the high price of Cardano holder in a previous 1 hour is $1.21 is the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies. But unfortunately, as you can see on the graph, the current price is a very fast according to the high price. So its according price is $1.21 and the current price of Cardano is $1.2. So that's very bad news for all Cardano holders. My suggestion is to sell Cardano holders and be safe from loss. As you can see here, the graph of Cardano holders, they are continuously falling down. A very small amount they are jumping, but a very large amount falling down. As you can see here, at this period they're jumping, but again they're falling down. At this period they're jumping, and much they falling down. So it's a best for all Cardano holders to sell it and be safe from loss. Now let's see the live price application of Cardano holders in the previous 2 hours. What's going? Oh my god! Oh my god! Today has a very bad news for all Cardano holders. I'm sorry. As you can see here, the in the past 2 hours they are starting dumping. As you can see here, I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality. They start dumping. It's a very bad news for all Cardano holders. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry for this news, but that's the reality for all Cardano holders. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, Cardano holders, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about Cardano.